kamano wini kumtimo gimitimo ni adwani mudagwina molo Yugi dwaro ni mondo ayud sigara maber nikech amolo nohero sigwe ata dwaro sigwe maber sigwe mana kongo gweyo ne Rapoki wugo ko biune wangnile Kauje koneo makowirwa Yanya kura logo agwamu mono Raila Kunogokua to en munale rawa Joey Keugoneya Amono koko mar jonangaruobi Rapoki wugo ko biune wangnile Kauje koneo makowirwa Yanya kura logo agwamu mono Raila Kunogokua to en munale rawa Orao Moi, Orao Kibaki, Orao Uru, Kawuono Omiowa broad-based government. To, amolo mosnuwa jodongo man malo, pinyo siko, to oksikie. Oguya jura ura chulo ka ugo kula bono biko nyusa kuta the head how much the money nyara kumkokote kwata jokalongni. Ajiki kodhi amo.
Jothurwa ang'eyo ni un gi lit kendo un gi rem beduru mana gi kwe kende Nyasaye bro miwa loch ji osebedo kawoyo marach ewi bondo ka wakuod wigi kendo wanyisgi ni bondo ka nigi sibor They wrote for me a speech, but today I have nothing to say. I want to thank you all, and there are a few people here I would like to specifically thank. To the staff of Baba, led by George Okong Opondo, Mr. Andrew Mondo, thank you for your loyalty and support. To Dennis Onyango, Keta Onyango, Morris Ocheng, Jack Nyamburi, Florence Olang, Ibrahim Auma, Jeff Oyer, Emmanuel Wanson, and others, thank you. To the staff of East Africa Spectre, Jof, and all the other officers, thank you. To Washington, Martin, Victor, Rose, Jackie, David, Caleb, Steve, Joanne, Joyce, and others, thank you. And finally, to the late George Odwor, Eric Ominde, Juma, and my partner, Morris Ogeta. On behalf of the Odinga family, thank you all for your love and service. Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home, if you are wondering. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Fellow monarchs, Joey, Yathura Joey, Joey. I want to take this opportunity now to invite Winnie Odinga, I mean not Winnie, Rosemary Odinga to come and also give her eulogy. Karibu Rosemary.
His Excellency, excuse me, the President of Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, Deputy, Dr. Kithure Kindiki, as well as Madam Kithure Kindiki, all heads of state who are here, all protocols observed, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. I said yesterday it was very hard for us as a family. Nonetheless, the day has come, and I want to just share with you a little bit about who our father was to us. Our father was someone who believed in us as individuals. As many who have spoken ahead and those who will speak after will let you know. And that is why today we have friends from all over. Our father listened keenly to what we had to say individually, after which he helped us sharpen our ideas. He also helped us to think broadly and find solutions, and to work with others. As you can see through his life, that is what he did. He worked with others. And because of that, we will continue to work together and to work with others, because that was his legacy. Not only that, our father also taught us to love the entire country as well as the continent of Africa. Today I want to urge all of you who are here and those who are watching in the screens from wherever they might be. I want you to look within you and search for what makes you better, and search for what makes you stronger. Because when we do that, we will honor what Baba would like us to be: better, stronger, sharper. So with that, and not so much, I want to thank you all, as well as Baba. Asante sana, Baba. Thank you so much for your time, ladies and gentlemen.
Now, I want to take this opportunity to invite my sister, Honorable Ruth Adhiambo Odinga, who was with Jacom in India, and Jacom died in their presence with Winnie. Can you please come, Ruth, and say a word of hello?
To His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, the Deputy President, former President Uhuru, all protocols observed. Amoso uduto ni okweuru. Okweuru. Kapo kaloso, toda hero ni mondo I introduce. Anan go wadwa manaluwo. Wadwa manaluwo, iluongo no sewe. Osewe nenigi nodnindo, to negi aja ode. Odwa mana no mosu daka chiel. 1 minute.
Okay. To His Excellency, the President, Mama Ida, and everybody. Nyinga entabu osewe, and Jakom, Adiambo Emanelu Ojaoda. I'm also the area MCA. So I'll take this opportunity to welcome you all here because this is my ward. To Mama Ida, Ohula, Omuomowa, Takwa Imama Minpin, Nikikiwe Ohulani, Odhikodwa. Ne Dr. Buru, ne Dr. Wenwa, Beryl, Adhiambo, and the entire Odinga family. Let us keep together as always. To Raila's 3 children, we are not only proud of you, but we love you very much and we expect to see Baba in you. Ayuara mola, you are eating a kionge toji openja. Mayuara mola, you are eating a konge toji chayo. Ayuara mola, you are eating a kionge toji ocha. Mayuara mola, you are eating a kionge tojogi kinya. Joey. Thank you very much, everybody.
I'm also, many of you here never knew that I have a right hand. My right hand is here today. Ambe nakendoga yoga nakuja. We mono mosu di chiel, then manera ila manomi yago. Most 1 minute. Just say, don't talk much. Let's talk.
Okay. Jambo. I'm pleased to be here with special greetings from Ghana and from the MUTHIA family and the royal family of Inchi, to the great man who is lying down there. And I'm so pleased to be here, a man who stood for justice for the whole of Africa. So I'm so pleased and honored to be part and parcel of this process, saying a farewell to one of our finest and greatest. He was a fine person with a finer mission and the finest vision for our continent. That's why we're all here today, and also here with the family. Thank you.
Sankara, Raila, Odinga, MUTHIA. Joey! Thank you.
My water Martin, Achakena Gola was my third born brother.
Alongoni Papa Patron, Antrogo Macho Go, Korago Imos, Winter. I go Imos, Aerocommando.
Thank you. You can go and sit.
You can sit. Leave it now.
Yeah.
You can sit down.
Yeah. I will delete and gipek. Raila molo nyathiwa ni nyeno siepna. Ne kitwa chal. Othwon ta thwon. Kono nuwa luor rekata. Samoro we are not take, tomare be take. Molo. Luo. Luo wodoginga. Gimeri. nyatemo to tama. Baba Nyasaye no heri. Idhi roginga wonu. Idhi irmeri. Imos gidute, imos Tobias, imos Albert. Imos omuodo galogo. Iwe nise chandria hinya. Ichandri ne Kenya to Kenya nok ne kata. Wodo dingi chandri ne Kenya. Ithoki chandri ne Kenya. Ajabiwa. Kata kamano. Joey! Imichame Mari Modong Kirigel Alwog Imichame Mari Modong Kirigel Sakwa Winja Malid Sakwa Lo Jajuok Yawa Sakwa Nyolurulo Lo Jajuok Do Raila Mawodo Dinga Lo Nyonuru Lo Jajuok. I don't want to say much, but I'm going to say this. I was with Raila throughout most of the time. Even when we left Fort Kenya, I was with him. We went to NDP together. And I remember in '97 when he came to Nakuru, myself and the Honorable Ouda now, who used to be my youth, we went to Massive Ferguson and told them we wanted to test their tinga. They gave us the tinga. We went and got him as he was entering Nakuru and took him up to Stem Hotel with the Massive Ferguson tinga. I have been there. In 1982, some of you don't know, you only see me in this siasa. I'm the one of the first women who was said that I was with my brother as he was picked to go. I was forced by the society to be one of the first women exilees. I went living in Uganda, Tanzania, and ended up in Zimbabwe. When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga. I'm just saying this to show you that this was a stoic man. The family has suffered because he sacrificed himself. Some of you are looking here, you don't know what Mama Ida has gone through. I used to know, I stayed with her. Being alone without your husband for all those years, the 9 years, and you see people mentioning. Some of these men, my fellow colleagues, even MPs here, to hear just about a cell, I was saying, you know, Raila don't go to Yedonga Jela, he got quiet to Donga Jela, he got shell, Ario, Nako Chico, Mano de Choko Hog de Tuan, or Tuan Gosokatuan, or Tuan Gosokatuan, or Chandana Kenya Gosoko Chandana Kenya. Nyakamane Koro Mogikni Raila toka podi wagomana Kenya. Anyo go kodwambaka. Anyo oro jogi ma wacha ni mono nyeona ticket. Ago ero kamano ne joma ne Raila out to last minute. Jomoko go ga joma ni around Raila to mage nyithind Raila. Sala nji we wakani salo case. Ne vedo ki Raila kamora mora. Ago ne ero kamano. Ago kairo kamano. Ne ogeta. Maurice. Ogeta Maurice wando analuongera ni ground and ground. No changi sendi ogeta. Saniti ne izo chopa iwa ya ground. Chingni duoge yuda ground. Ogeta kiwanyi neno. Gidokso lunya. Giwini nyaka uor. Gabiango. Onge gima teki neno nga matuan Raila ka koro nindo onge gimatek. Datego nindo. Wako nikoro baba zigikwe. Okno yotnwa. Doturwa. Anamor. Natnyuchul bungan laktar mako diga. Ane laktar mati edu jite chakre Dr. Burma wado manikani. Nyamera moni chanan go India. Ilongo ni beri la chiengu. Podo tuo ko nyachop. To nyamera kane tuo to monya ya to openyen be safe en laktar. Kanyo dinyo oro na ticket. Monda dia vet kode kaka laktar. Ana wona neno kaka la molo digo to. Latiwa digi kwe. And what you said about our party must remain. You told me that at 8 in the evening, the day before you passed on in the morning. It was only a weak party. We must be united. ODM must be united. And it must be strong. And if it is not strong, if it is not strong, ODM! 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 ODM must unite. We cannot have the ODM in Guinea-Wuko, another ODM being led by some other people, another ODM being led by the few people who think they own the party. ODM belongs to all of us. Some of you who want to take it now don't even know how we started ODM. ODM in Mala. And we are going to go to any negotiation table with a strong, united, one ODM. That's why I want to make more.
I now want to take this opportunity to invite my sister, Dr. Wenwa Akinyi Odinga Oranga, is a long name. Dr. Wenwa Akinyi, or we call her also Dodi. Ma'am, where are you?
Thank you. Thank you, Your Excellency, William Samoei Ruto, and all protocol observed. Joturwa, and when Wakinyi, Mandamino Wadga Kinyi, Usevijo Ganyeng no, Usevijo Nyingmano Wadga Kinyi, and Yakinyi no, Goradwa introduce, Anne Maduong, Kwom Nyinjara Mogi, Anne Maduong, Yawoye Manotelo, Oburu Neduong, Kai Raila, Kaya Gola, Rokwom Nyiri Ane Maduong. Omyo Entija, it is my responsibility to introduce the other Jaramogi's daughters. I'm here, they are here.
All protocols observed. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, and Your Excellency, former President of Kenya, Honorable Uhuru Kenyatta, my sister-in-law, Canon Dr. Aida Odinga, and the all distinguished guests. I'm Pauline Oginga. I'm a County Chief Officer, Public Service Administration, County Government of Mombasa. So I would wish just to say that we've been students of the late. He was a brother, he was a mentor, he was a supporter. He's someone who encouraged me to realize my potential. So in losing him today, I've not just lost a brother, but I've lost a strong support system. Our father died when we were young, and our brothers took over. So today, I feel bereaved twice. So for all of us who are his students, it's upon us to make sure that our spine is strong. We implement all that he's taught us. Long live the king, and long live the crown. The king has gone, but the crown is still there. Jaramogi family will fight on, will stand strong, and we will prove that the genes are very strong. Thank you.
Thank you. I'll ride on the protocol already observed. I will not talk, but I will just clarify on my name because I didn't make it clear. My name is Emily Anyango Oginga, and I'm a sister to the late Honorable Raila Odinga. I'll just say sorry. Sorry to the whole world. Sorry to Kenya. Sorry to the Luo. Erokamano. Long live Baba. Go well, Jakawur. Erokamano.
So I also have my people here, my children. Let them introduce themselves.
Aya, kwa majina naitwa Jaramogi Orango. Kama ningekuwa najua ati nitaongea, ningeenda niulize Uhuru anisaidie na ile uji alikunywa na Raila. Juu sasa siwezi simama hapa niseme ati naogopa kuongelesha nyinyi wote. Kusema ukweli, niko na jasho, natoa jasho ingine mbaya sana hapa juu. Lakini kama ningesema hapana, mjue hata mimi mamangu ako hapa na hata mimi nataka kuishi hadi 80. Mimi nataka kufika 80, na kama nimesema ati sitaki kuongea, hata mimi mngeniweka tu pale tu. So mimi nataka tu kusema kuna tu mtu mmoja unajua Raila ni mtu, labda ulikuwa unampenda ama uko unampendi, lakini ni lazima ulikuwa unamheshimu. Hivi tu vile tunapendanga kupinga serikali, unajua ni huyu mtu ndio alituletea hiyo, he gave us that ability to do that. Na sitaki kusikia ati uni mtu sijui alikuwa anapenda ukabila ama sijui nini. Kuna kitu kama hiyo. So napenda tu kusema asante kwa baba, na nataka ku pass my condolences kwa Auntie Aida na kila mtu mwingine. Asanteni sana kwa kukuja na kwa kunikusikiza. Asante.
Thank you. Then there's my daughter, Miriam. Let her introduce herself, but she's also a musician.
Amoso ujite. Amoso. Kwa majina naitwa Miriam Wenwa Oranga.